This is Ogbono and okra soup with a lot of orishi, dry fish, prawn, stockfish, cow leg. This soup is delicious. Even the aroma is is giving. The aroma is giving. Trust me. This soup is actually very yummy, very rich. Vegetable, pumpkin leaf, vegetable. In short, everything, all the proteins is well equipped with a lot of delicious and vitamins, proteins. Is very rich. This soup is very rich, you know. Okra and ogbono soup. This soup is delicious. The aroma coming out from this soup is so amazing. It's so tantalizing. It's so tempting. Oh my God, I can't wait to just swallow with oatmeal fufu or gari, red gari.